Good morning, student of class 7. Today we will study English literature. Chapter 4, a dialogue with Bill Gates. Yesterday and day before yesterday, I have already introduced and explained some paras. So today, an interview of Bill Gates. Here, note this is an imaginary interview but reflect the view of Bill Gates. It is actually not in real, but it actually imaginary interview. One Anju has taken Bill Gates interview. What the questions she has asked? Here, first question, sir, I welcome you to our school. We are so happy to have you here today. Bill Gates, thank you. I am glad to be with you all. I appreciate the warm welcome that I received in morning assembly. So first question, she said, first she has welcomed Bill Gates in her school, and she said that we are so happy that you are here, sir. And Bill Gates replied that thank you very much. I am very happy also that how there is a warm welcome everyone they have done in the morning assembly. I am very happy. Anju, we all are thrilled to have you here. It was an expression of our love and respect for you, sir. Tell me, as a child, you must have also been fond of playing games like us. So now, Anju, first question, sir, we are totally excited that you are here, and it was an expression of love and respect for you. Sir, please tell us that you are also playing games when you are a child. Bill Gates replied, oh yes, I enjoyed playing board game Risk being my favorite, and I was very good at playing Monopoly. So now he said, yes, why not? I am also playing in my childhood days, and especially board games. I am totally enjoying to play board games. Risk is my favorite games, and one of my favorite game was Monopoly, means related to imitation money like this. Okay, so I was here check Bill Gates etc. in the figure. There is okay. Now next page. Anju, oh, what activity kept you occupied whenever you found time? Anju has asked, sir, whenever you are free, so what are you doing? How you are spending your time? So Bill Gates, he said, I was a voracious reader and I would spend hours reading reference book like encyclopedia. Now Bill Gates said, whenever I was a voracious reader, means a strong reader. Whenever any free time I have got, so now I am going to read encyclopedia book, hours of 2 hour, 3 hour, hours of reading. Anju, another question. Okay. Let me congratulate you for being confirmed with the Padma Bhushan Award in 2015. Bill Gates, oh, thank you. And Anju said, okay. So now Anju congratulated Bill Gates that, sir, you have got Padma Bhushan Award in 2015. So for it, congratulations, sir. Bill Gates replied, okay, thank you for it. Anju, when was the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation set up, and what was the idea behind it? Bill Gates said, the main idea of the foundation was what to enhance health care, to improve what health care, and reduce extreme poverty, and reduce means deduce what poverty from all over the world, and in America to expand educational opportunity, especially for in America to expand to spread educational opportunity and to access information technology and to spread the awareness about information technology, and that is actually the foundation. Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation is based in Seattle, Washington. That is situated in Seattle, Washington. And now next question. Bill Gates, sorry Anju, can you share the names of trustees who control it? Okay. Now Bill Gates, Anju asked, sir, can you give the name of the trustee who are they and they are how they are controlling it? So here Bill Gates, sir, why not? The three trustees are Melinda Gates, Warren Buffett, and me. Who they are? There are three trustees. One is Bill Gates himself, one is Bill Gates' wife Melinda, and one is Warren Buffett. Anju, sir, what are the various areas in which the foundation is involved in India? Anju asks, sir, can you give the name of in which state or in which area this foundation involved in India? So Bill Gates, oh, why not? Well, our New Delhi office oversees the work of the foundation in India. We work in various sectors that include maternal and child health, nutrition, health services, vaccine, routine immunization, family planning, agriculture development, sanitation, control of infectious diseases and AIDS. And we also helped in the polio eradication program. India has been declared polio free. Now Bill Gates said, why not? Actually, we have set up our office in New Delhi, and we work in different type of sectors in not only in India, in whole of the world, and include what are the scopes are here: maternal and child health, nutrition for health service, vaccine, routine immunization, family planning, agriculture development, sanitation, and control of infectious disease and AIDS also. So in these scopes, in these sectors, means Bill Gates Foundation is working, and they are helping to the people. And we also helped in also polio eradication program. Not only these sectors, we are also helping in polio eradication program. How polio should be free in our country? It's already declared that India is a now polio free country. Okay, so up to here I have explained. Today, watch it carefully and try to understand it. Okay, rest tomorrow. Thank you for today. Have a nice day.